Got another video for you guys. If you guys don't know, Victor and I are getting ready for Sturgis here. As of the filming of this tape, we have about 30 days. We leave August 2nd. It's our first time going, so we're trying to get the bikes ready, you know, make sure we don't have any issues while we get out there. So today I'm just gonna run down through a quick 3-hole oil change. There's a million videos out there like that, but I'll show you how I go through my process, and I do use the owner's manual, so I know how many ounces of stuff I gotta put in there and stuff, so let's get into it. Okay, so these are the tools that I'm gonna be using. It's gonna be a foot-pounds torque wrench, a ratchet with extension, a T27 Torx, a 3/8 hex bit, 5/8 socket, oil filter wrench, oil filter funnel, primary case funnel, engine and transmission funnel, measuring cup, and some gloves. Okay, so here's everything that comes in the kit. You get 1 quart of transmission oil, 1 quart of primary case oil, 5 quarts of engine oil, a complete fuel system cleaner, a funnel, a hat, and a couple stickers that I've already used up.